Guys, this is absolutely insane. I just found this website that can literally pay you out over $1,000 right now today if you are willing to go ahead and do some very simple things for me. One of those simple things is that you're going to want to make sure to stick till the end of this video, because on the Pay to Earn YouTube channel, I am dedicated to teaching you literally the easiest ways to make some fast money online from the best, and picking out through the crap and actually finding the really good GPT sites out there. So if that sounds interesting, you're definitely going to make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as joining our Pay to Earn Discord, because on our Discord, we have exclusive giveaways like free Steam games and free gift card giveaways going on all the time within our Discord, as well as going ahead and following us on Instagram, because we are doing code drops where you can be getting up to $250 per code, provided that you go ahead and follow our Instagram. And with that all being said, let's just jump right into it. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is that you're going to want to go onto your browser of choice, and you're going to want to look up the site Pay to Earn. And then you're going to want to go ahead and hit enter, and you're going to want to read right here, because on Pay to Earn, you can literally get 100% of your earnings today. If you guys don't know, where a lot of these survey sites, just like FreeCash, get their surveys is from alternate survey providers. So you can see right here that FreeCash has a bunch of offer providers. And actually, compared to Pay to Earn, you get 100% of your earnings on Pay to Earn that you wouldn't get on FreeCash. So if you go ahead and use Pay to Earn, you will literally be making sometimes 3, sometimes 10, sometimes even 20 times as much than you would on another site like FreeCash. And the reason why is because they are giving 100% of your survey rewards directly to you. So if we go ahead and hit on the earn section and we go ahead and check out their offer walls, you can see right here that they have the exact same offer walls that FreeCash does, a lot of the same ones. If you go ahead and check out BitLab's offer walls, for example, and you compare that to FreeCash's offer walls. So if you guys don't know, 1,000 FreeCash points means $1, which means that, for example, there is a lot of things on here. For this, for example, you're literally only getting about 1.5 cents. For this one, you're only getting about 20 cents. This one, you're getting about 40 cents. And if we go ahead and check out Pay to Earn, for example, you can see that the offers are worth so much more. But on top of that, Pay to Earn is $1 per 100 points. So this means that if you go ahead and do this, you could literally make $900 right here today, which is why I've been encouraging you guys to go ahead and sign up for Pay to Earn, because as you can see, their payouts are so much higher relative to a site like FreeCash, which means that if you guys are using FreeCash over Pay to Earn, you are literally losing out on money. So if you guys don't want to be losing out on completely free money that you could actually be getting right now, then make sure you guys go ahead and sign up to Earn with the link down below. And on top of that, you're going to want to make sure to join their Discord, because as you can see right here, they do have exclusive giveaways, and they actually are waiting for their first 1,000 members to go ahead and do a free $100 Cash App giveaway. So make sure you guys go ahead and join Pay to Earn right now, because you might be part of that lucky first 1,000 that can go ahead and get a free $100 sent directly to your Cash App. But another advantage of Pay to Earn over FreeCash is that they have a lot more cash out offers. For example, you can cash out into Robux, Xbox gift cards, which also could be Minecoins. You could also cash out directly into Cash App, as well as doing a PayPal Cash App. You could get Discord Nitro, iTunes gift cards, and FreeCash just does not have these same kind of reward offers. And if you go ahead and check out the best picks section right here, you guys can see that there is a bunch of offers literally listed right here that you can get $2, $3, $4, $5 directly from Pay to Earn right into your account. And FreeCash is not offering this much per offer. If I go ahead and scroll through and try and find this offer, as you can see, the max that they have is about 88 cents for downloading TikTok. But as you can see, if you fill out the survey, you will get a free $3, which will take you the exact same amount of time. And then you can cash out that money either into your Cash App or your PayPal or whatever you feel so inclined to cash out into. As you can see right here, I have been paid out 3,000 points, which was $30 directly into my PayPal. So I know for a fact that these guys are completely legit. And if you go ahead and check out their support team, you can go ahead and fill out anything if you have any questions or inquiries, or you want to get a refund, or if you want to have your account deleted, anything like that. On top of that, if you guys scroll through right here, you can see the max that you can be making per offer, about an estimate. So you can see you can make about 14 from BitLab's offer walls. Depending on the offer, it scrapes from a several amount of them. It's kind of an average thing, but as you can see, there is a lot of really great earning potentials for Pay to Earn versus FreeCash. So this has been a really short summary of why you guys should be using Pay to Earn over FreeCash. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe to our official YouTube channel. And thank you so much for watching, and I genuinely do hope you have a good day.